Good morning, number one. How are you this morning? You do realize I'm supposed to be giving that chair to Ernie. This is not your chair. Okay? I mean, I think it's cute and all, but sheesh, I gotta give it away. Goes with the couch. You don't care, do you? No, you don't. Do you care? No, I don't think you care. I don't think you give one rat's ass that this is Ernie's chair. Nope. You don't care at all, do you? I gave you a new chair. Look. That's a nice wing back. What's wrong with that wing back? You just don't like it, huh? I could pretty much piss off. Yeah. Alright, number one. I guess that's your chair. Because you're definitely not moving. Oh, you're such a cat. Hey, cat. Cat. Yo, cat. Cat. What's up, Pickles? You'll play with me, won't ya?